gorgeous ladies, and welcome to a fresh new episode on printed chanderis. Today's episode number 194th episode, and I hope this video finds you in very good spirits. Those who are a little gloomy, just watch the video. You'll really love the mood booster colors, the vibrant prints, and the whole concept of the video. So watch till the end. Today will be all of colors. As I said, mood booster, mood lifter saris. I will show you beautiful colors in very soft chandeli fabric, which one of my favorite fabrics, because it's anywhere you can go wearing these, you will never go wrong. It's very comfortable, especially with these woven borders in antique zari and the vibrant unusual prints that we worked on in this episode. So watch the episode. There will be a variety of colors and concepts in printed chandeli today. 3,990 rupees in zigzag yellow and midnight blue color combination. The border is antique zari, and yes, I do love antique zari, and I always promote more of antique zari because somehow it gives a very regal look even though it's an antique. See the print in this, it's totally in zigzag with a contrast midnight blue blouse piece. It has a self print, if you can see, it has a self print, and again with the antique zari border. We have more of these, but we have more colors. Everybody should get it today because I have many stock today. But the thing is, in future if I take orders, and in future if these comes, definitely since these are printed in our factory and we get these printed regularly, but the border is not the same. It's definitely it will come in printed same print, same color combination, but the border weave keeps changing. But all the borders you will see today, you will love the borders. See this color combination, it's a beautiful shade of mustard golden yellow with midnight blue. Product number 1, Chandeli Banarasi woven border with zigzag print, 3990. Now coming to product number 2, it has a no woven border, only an inch zari border, but what we've done is, even in that zigzag print, we've done a kalamkari print in this. So you see, very soft, lightweight, but see the vibrant print, especially with the black traditional kalamkari printed pallu and border. 3,500 since there's no zari woven border as such, but it has a printed kalamkari border, so the price reduces. 3,500 for this. Extra printing for the kalamkari border is done, and the blouse piece will definitely be there. It's a very smart print, a very style statement printed sari in chandeli, and these are heavy count chandelis, so these are the best quality chandelis, very soft and very comfortable. Red and black color printed chandeli, 3,500 for this product number 2. Economical range saris, all within 4,000, and you see the color combination, the prints, especially for gifting, for regular use. And we love these kind of bright bold prints. It really looks nice in these chandeli prints in this fabric because the color comes out really well in chandeli. Of course, if it's good quality. 3,500, product number 3, 3,500 is the price. It's a color of green and blue, very smart print. I have been showing a lot of chandeli prints lately, and all are different from each other. This is the blouse piece. Loads and loads of varieties, and all the time there will be something different. As I always say, there is a change in the print, change in the weaves, change in the concepts. So this is with kalamkari, 3,500, product number 3. Nice pallu also. And as we all love clicking pictures, so these pictures do come out really well because of the bright colors that we've used in this. Like you see, this is a coffee and a mustard. What a beautiful color combination with a touch of green and red. The body color is mustard, the border pallu is in coffee. Nice, isn't it? And that too in zigzag border body print. Very smart lightweight sari, especially lightweight, the color combination, the very prominent print in the border. See the border print, and there's a sleek zari weave also, which goes running along with the blouse piece. The blouse piece comes in coffee self print with the gold border. All you have to do is kindly take the screenshot of the product where the number and the description is mentioned. So this is the sari look 3500, product number 4. Take the screenshot of the product and WhatsApp to any one of the number. This is the process of booking. Once we say it's available, we'll give you the bank details. You make the payment along with the delivery charges, and we will courier it to you within 2 to 3 working days. Out of India, there is no cash on delivery, only via courier. Within Kolkata, there is cash on delivery with an additional charge, because the normal courier charge is cheaper than the cash on delivery charge, because the person who personally goes and delivers and again brings back the cash, then he charges a bit more than the, of course, the courier which is going only one way. So that is there, but within Kolkata we can do cash on delivery. We have 2 branches in Kolkata, 2C Cornfield Road, Ballygunge, Kolkata 19, which is near the Citizen Park, and the other one is 12 Jamir Lane, Ballygunge, Kolkata 19, which is near the Ballygunge railway station. We have car park in front of both of the stores. Sundays we are closed. Monday to Saturday we are open every day from 10 o'clock in the morning to 8 p.m. at night. So if you want to stitch your blouses, your suit pieces, we will do it. So after the payment, we'll connect you to the tailoring department, and of course if you are in Kolkata, you can personally come and give your measurements. The menswear section is in the Cornfield Road branch only. We have the dupattas, we have costume jewelries, bags and many more. So you can visit the branches for more options, but prior booking is required for this particular sari, which is shown in the social media. 3500, black and red. See this print, indigo. It is a very elegant print. See closely the print. Very elegant print in indigo with pallu zari, border zari, and it has a very broad border in one side, which is of course in antique, which is why this is looking so elegant. These doesn't have a shine, let me tell you. Antique zari are not shiny. 3990, broad border in one side, the upper border will be smart and sleek, narrow border in the upper part. 3900, very pretty looking print, and of course the zari antique is looking so rich in this color combination, and of course it will have another indigo printed blouse piece. This is the blouse piece with this. Very soft, very comfortable. This fabric is, you can say this is the most comfortable fabric like cotton. still cotton is a little needs a little of maintenance. This is the, it doesn't even need much ironing. You can just do it any way you can wear it. 3990, and these are not mixed, these are pure chanderis. Again coming to woven border. With very abstract ajrak printed body, kalamkari printed border, zari woven, second border. So one border is kalamkari printed, the second border is Banarasi woven woven. Here is the pallu. Basically it's just the border running through the pallu, 3500 only, and see the body. The best part is the block, which is in box shape, is in checkered form, which is looking so nice because of this texture of green, deep to light and olive and mehendi. Beautiful color combination with red blouse piece, which again has Leheria print. Blouse piece. Even for wedding mornings and all, when you want to, you have a lot of work to do, if it's somebody close where you have to run around, these are such beautiful traditional saris in very reasonable range, and even if you're comfortable mainly also. 3500, it's a beautiful print, beautiful block print. I'll show you 3 colors in this, and all the colors are so uncommon. This is burgundy, red and burgundy. The border and the weave is same. The body color only we've changed. See the fall. For once, even if I show you so many saris, I'm sure my hand will not pain today draping so many. 3500 for this, and see the beautiful color combination and the print. Closely check out the print. It's a brownish burgundy color with touch of red, border red, and here is the blouse piece. Now here is the Lehed print in the blouse. I'm sure it's clear. And this is the sari. All these are printed in our workshop, so we get these repeated prints. You will get, I'm sure everybody will get these orders, except that, as I said, the printing takes a few weeks time. We can do it for you, and if not, then now we have stock, but as I said, the border weave may differ. So it's first come first serve basis. Lot of stock is there now, so you can do the booking, see the video properly, and then do the booking, because all the prints are really nice, and especially when you have to gift a lot of people during the wedding season, it's really convenient to get this economical range, very pretty looking, that too in zari border. 3500 for this. It's in a shade of navy, grey navy color body print. This is the blouse piece. So blouse piece, the border is same. As I said, only the border print, body print changes. Please do like, share and subscribe to the channel, so that you can share in your page, so that many more people can also see these products. This is the pallu part. It has a zari weave in the pallu also. Now coming to the next concept of printing. This is very traditional print. Small buttas, floral all over with border pallu concept. Small, sleek, smart pallu. This is the pallu part. The body is in black and white. Our favorite color combination all time, with the red border. Very smart print. 3990, 3,990 rupees. This is the red blouse piece with the sari. Both side border in the blouse piece, so you can put it in your sleeves and the back, anywhere you want. 3990. All the sarees are within 4,000 today, so it's a very budget friendly program where you can see a lot of collection in printed Chandeli itself. Beautiful color combination in wine color and rust. Very unique color, no black. So those who want to avoid black for any gifting occasion, so this is a beautiful color combination. Deep wine color with rust color combination. See, both same print, but that border and this border is different. But as you can see, all the borders are very smart borders. Whenever whatever weaving we get, we outsource the poth and then we do the printing in our factory. 3990, product number 11. Coming with a rust blouse piece. See, it has a texture in the blouse piece, even the previous one, just a texture, and this is the border. Number 11, right? And now coming to number 12. This kind of overlapping zigzag temple print I had shown in a previous episode of Chandeli, where lot of orders were placed but we couldn't give too many. But now that I have these similar print in a different concept, of course. This is a turquoise blue, then comes navy blue, and then comes shades of green, overlapping temple. The whole printing is done in temple, but see, different sizes and different beautiful color combination is used in the temple part, and it's giving such a smart look in a traditional sari. And see the turquoise blouse piece, it again has a self print, turquoise blouse, rich turquoise blouse. See how it looks. Very striking, and price 3990. This is the second color in this concept, magenta, brown and red. So today's print is more quirky and it is very smart prints rather than traditional ones, keeping the traditional fabric in mind. The prints, we've kept it very smart and little different from the regular prints that we see in the market. See, all the prints are so uncommon. The border weave, the zari border weave, the whole body with the color combination of magenta, red, and this is a mehendi, you can say a brown color. coffee color border. So two bright color with a earthy color. So this is where the difference is coming. Blouse piece, self print with the zari border, very rich. ₹3,990 for this beauty. Navy, no black, it has grey color in the pallu border, turquoise and navy color combination. Again a very smart print. Slate blouse piece, if you are liking the products, kindly comment on the video so that at least पढ़ने में भी अच्छा लगता है. So I do keep reading your comments. Any queries you have, kindly WhatsApp me. Maybe even if it's a bit late, you'll get all the replies. Even if the product is available or not, that will also be replied to you. Even if the products will be coming, that will also be replied. Also check out our Facebook page. The link is already provided. All these, there's a link, see, Sanskriti Kolkata Facebook page. So these will be uploaded in the album Printed Chanderi. There are saris within 4,000, that album is also there. So these will be uploaded in those photo albums. You can have a look at those also. And our Insta page is also there. The link is already provided. Lalia at Sanskriti. Rich kalamkari print with figures and flowers in the body. Birds, figures, flowers. Traditional typical kalamkari print, but in a very unique color combination of black and maroon with mud color, earthy tone of prints in between the birds and flowers. See the body print closely. The border, very smart border, and rich maroon blouse piece. Here is the blouse piece. The blouse piece also has a textured print in this. Okay, let me show you the back side. In this episode, I forgot to show you the back side. So this is the back side weave, very neat, very soft, and this is the blouse piece. Very smart running border along with the pallu. All the colors I'll show you, just check out the colors. बहुत सुंदर सारा कलर चार्ट यूज किया है आज का एपिसोड में. जैसे पहले ही हमने बता दिया, किसी का थोड़ा मूड ग्लूमी है, थोड़ा सा डाउन है, तो आज एपिसोड में आप इतना कलर्स देखेंगे. कलर थेरेपी बोलते हैं ना हम लोग. सो कलर थेरेपी में आपका थोड़ा सा मूड अच्छा होना चाहिए. ये 3500 है, 3500. ये कॉफी के साथ बर्गंडी कलर का कॉम्बिनेशन है. ये भी कलमकारी प्रिंट के साथ है, एंड वो कलमकारी प्रिंट जो बहुत ट्रेडिशनल है, बर्ड्स एंड फिगर्स के साथ पूरा ब्लॉक प्रिंट का काम किया हुआ है, प्रिंटिंग किया हुआ है बीच में बॉडी में. और इसका बॉर्डर पल्ला जो है, इसमें जरी का यूज है. और इसका ब्लाउज में एक तो सेल्फ प्रिंट है बर्गंडी में, जिसके साथ वो रनिंग बॉर्डर भी हमने साड़ी का रनिंग बॉर्डर में ब्लाउज पीस में है. सबका ब्लाउज में ये बॉर्डर जा रहा है दोनों साइड. ऊपर में नैरो बॉर्डर, क्योंकि इसका ऊपर में नैरो बॉर्डर है. तो ये पूरा ब्लाउज में आएगा और इसका ब्लाउज से ही बनाइए क्योंकि इसका मैचिंग बहुत अनकॉमन है। तो आप इसके साथ कोई और कॉम्बिनेशन का ब्लाउज पहनेगा ना, ये मैचिंग सही नहीं होगा, हमको लग रहा है। बाकी आपकी मर्जी, लेकिन हमको लग रहा है कि इसके साथ ही ये अच्छा लगेगा, एलिगेंट लगेगा। सारा कॉम्बिनेशंस आज बहुत जबरदस्त होगा। ये वाला भी देखिए, इसका डीप नेवी के साथ रेड है। और सबसे बड़ी बात है कि हम इसको ड्रेप कर रहे हैं। देखिए, हम खुद भी पहना है एक साड़ी चंदेरी का और ये हम ड्रेप भी कर रहे हैं आपके सामने। कितना अच्छा फॉल आ रहा है। ये जो हम प्लीट कर रहे हैं, इसका जो आप प्लीट्स जो देखेंगे पूरा एंड के बाद, उससे आपको पता चलता है, हम सारा एपिसोड में वैसा पता चलता है। ये इसका ब्लाउज पीस है। सारा एपिसोड में पता चलेगा कि किसका, देखिए हम जब ऐसे, हाँ, कैसे गिर रहा है ये साड़ी, देखा कैसे, कितना सुंदर इसका प्लीट फॉल आ रहा है। तो ये सारा दिन भी आप पहनो ना, इसको इतना कंफर्टेबल लगेगा आपको। और प्राइस भी इसका बहुत ही रीजनेबल है। इसमें इतना रिच बॉर्डर है, प्रिंटिंग कॉन्सेप्ट इतना बढ़िया है, फिर भी इसका प्राइस 3500 के अंदर है। 3500 प्राइस है इसका। बॉर्डर इसका रनिंग ही जा रहा है, पूरा स्लीक बॉर्डर, कोई अलग से चौड़ा बॉर्डर, पल्ला नहीं है, बॉर्डर। ये वाला कलर कॉम्बिनेशन भी अनदर बहुत स्मार्ट कलर कॉम्बिनेशन है। ये भी बर्गंडी के साथ ये ब्लैक का है। सो इसका सारा कॉम्बिनेशन ही बहुत स्मार्ट, बहुत अनयूजुअल कॉम्बिनेशन है सबका। देखिए, हम सब लगाकर दिखा रहे हैं आपको। आपका जब ये कंफर्म होगा, आप पेमेंट बैंक में डाल दीजिएगा। बैंक में जमा करने के बाद या पेटीएम या कोई भी जैसे आप लोग इफ इट सूट्स यू, जैसे भी आप लोग पेमेंट कर देंगे शिपिंग के साथ, हम लोग इसको कोरियर कर देंगे। आप जब आपका पेमेंट स्क्रीनशॉट देंगे, उसके साथ साथ आप आपका नाम, एड्रेस, पिन कोड और टेलीफोन नंबर जरूर दें, ताकि हमारा ये पार्सल रुक ना जाए। काफ़ी ये हो रहा है कि आप किसी को गिफ्ट कर रहे हैं लेकिन आप उनका नंबर नहीं दे रहे, क्योंकि वो तो उसके पास जाएगा ना, आपका को फ़ोन करके तो आप मतलब कोरियर वाला उनको फ़ोन करेगा, तो आप उनका फ़ोन नंबर दीजिएगा। एड्रेस कंप्लीट दीजिएगा। जब तक आपको पार्सल ना मिले, रेस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी हमारा है, लेकिन फिर भी आपका पूरा डिटेल्स मुझे जितना दे सके उतना ही अच्छा है। ये देखिए, फिर आ गया एकदम दूसरा कॉन्सेप्ट, बंधेज के साथ कलमकारी विद जरी बॉर्डर। चंदेरी बंधेज, ये प्रिंट का बंधेज है। इसके ऊपर मल्टी कलर कलमकारी का एक बॉर्डर दिया हुआ है और इसके साथ साड़ी का जो वोवन बॉर्डर है, जो ऊपर में नैरो है और नीचे में प्रोमिनेंट बिग चौड़ा बॉर्डर है। तो ये देखिए, ये इसका पूरा साड़ी का गेटअप आ रहा है। जो पल्ला देखिए, इसमें पल्ला भी बहुत सुंदर ब्राइट प्रोमिनेंट पल्ला है और इसका प्राइस 2990। लेट मी चेक द प्राइस वंस मोर। यस, इट्स ओनली 2990 रुपीज। कैन यू इमेजिन? 2990 for this chanderi. It's a very good fabric. So I just checked twice, maybe because one of the previous episodes we had some mistakes in the printing and keeping the numbering, थोड़ा सा प्रॉब्लम हो गया, तो इसलिए हम दोबारा चेक कर लिया। हाँ, इसका 2990 प्राइस है। बंधेज कलमकारी जरी वोवन बॉर्डर और इसका प्रिंटेड इतना स्मार्ट ब्लाउज पीस भी है इसका। गेटअप बहुत ही रिच गेटअप है। ये ब्लैक के साथ बॉर्डर है और ब्लैक ब्लाउज भी है। रेड ब्लैक कलर कॉम्बिनेशन, वेरी स्मार्ट विद बंधेज कलमकारी। तो सभी कलर बहुत सुंदर है। ये मजेंटा के साथ है ब्लू का कॉम्बिनेशन। Magenta with blue color combination bandhej block print with kalamkari multicolor border along with Banarasi woven border. So it's a 3 concept sari priced only rupees 2990, product number 20. Or this blouse piece again will be in blue. So such a beautiful rich sari. Even the young girls will also look so pretty in this gorgeous sari. 2990. Just take the screenshot and WhatsApp. When you are sending the screenshot, kindly don't crop the number. इसमें जो नंबर है ना, जो आपका स्क्रीन में जा रहा है, जो हमारा कोड के साथ मिलेगा, the code number is important for booking because from the code number we can check out if the product is available. This is a black and red, another very smart palla sari. The border. Closely I am showing you. See the back part. This is weave, this is print. So be sure what you are booking. Check the video again, see properly and then do the booking. No fast, no hard and soul that you have. ऐसे कोई रूल नहीं है कि आपको लेना ही पड़ेगा. You can always appreciate also whenever. This is the blouse piece for this. See the gorgeous printed कलमकारी ब्लाउज पीस. कोई भी एक कलर का साड़ी के साथ आप पहनिए, इसका लुक सो स्मार्ट. ढाकाई के साथ, कॉटन हैंडलूम के साथ बहुत अच्छा लगता है ये वाला ब्लाउज. इवन विथ अ स्कर्ट इफ यू वेयर दिस काइंड ऑफ, इफ यू मेक अ बिगर लेंथ ब्लाउज विद दिस. तो आप देख कर लीजिए, चॉइस कीजिए, टेक योर टाइम एंड डू द सिलेक्शन. First two sari in bandhej had 3 buttas of bandhni. This particular piece has single bandhej butta. This print is different. These two, black and blue, is different print, and the previous two, red and rani, was a different print. So this has another design in kalamkari. The pallu part of it, 2990. So in this episode, all the Vibgeo colors I have definitely shown you. At the same time, I have shown you many blended colors also. The mixed colors which comes with like red and white comes pink. So these are all the colors that I have been showing you. As I said from the beginning, today's will be a very colorful episode. So this is the blouse piece. See the bright color, beautiful shade of deep royal blue. It's not a loud royal blue, it's a very deep, you can say an ink blue color, very pretty color. So if you want me to show any particular product, kindly message. And if my presentation there is something where I can always improve, if you want me to do it in a different way, like if you want me to speak, I know only 3 languages, Bengali, Hindi and English. So out of that I won't be able to speak any other language, but I try to speak the 3 languages in all the episodes. But anyway, you can always use the subtitles if you have any problem in understanding what I mean to say. This is a very quirky print, big polka, beautiful sari, very smart looking sari, 3500. Very smart looking, earthy, big, watery colors in earthy tone with a black border, black zari woven border. It's a beautiful, very hep sari, beautiful. It's a very smart looking sari, very smart. This is the blouse piece. Rich charcoal black and slate color self printed blouse with this bold polka dotted, very smart one. Two colors. But I really love this print. Very unusual. Peach, rust and coffee. Such a beautiful sari. Just see the sari. Very smart. And this one will have this contrast blouse piece in coffee. This is the blouse piece. Very smart print. I really love the whole concept. Very smart looking. Anyway, the price is the same. Now coming to what I am wearing. A deep maroonish coffee color traditional printed sari with bottle green border. Here comes the pallu. Bottle green border and pallu, again woven. This is the bottle green blouse self printed that you will get along with the sari, and the sari price is 3500 for this, 3500. Just before the shoot there were many customers who had come from Bangalore. They had come to shop in Sanskriti. There were around 13 of them, a big group. So they really loved the print, and they were, but they had to wait for the episode. So I'm sure you will love this print and the combination. $3,500 for this. The bangle set that I'm wearing, emerald studded bangle set. This is 1900 a pair. 1900 is the pair of bangles. Very useful. Goes with even if you wear a sari where there is no green, this will also look very nice. Not necessarily that there has to be a green shade in your sari, but this is a very smart setting, stone setting pair of bangles, 1900 pair. And the neck piece that I am wearing, it's a 2-layer neck piece with green and pearl setting, double layer. It has a pair of cute earrings also. 2200 is the set. The neck piece and the pair of cute earrings is again this goes very well with westerns also, denims, shirts, really looks very nice. It's double layer neck piece, and the 2200 is the set. Now coming to the colors that I'm wearing. Product number 25. navy maroon color combination. The first set of printing I regularly visit my printing unit when the printing work starts. Even during the rain we can't do much of printing, but these set of prints, when the new colors are, you know, it is put on the fabric, it's a beauty to watch. This is the blouse piece of this. So this is another color combination of the product sari that I am wearing. Navy and reddish maroon color combination. Maroon, not, I wouldn't say reddish maroon, it's dark maroon only. So this is one. Mine is the second color combination. The third one is the opposite, no, third one is in bottle green and rich magenta wine color. Another rich color combination. With blouse piece. The last combination, black and maroon, 27, 3500. Black. इसका ब्लाउज, this is the blouse. আশা করি আপনাদের ভালো লাগলো। পুরো প্রোগ্রামটা প্রচুর রঙের শাড়ি দেখালাম, নানান রকম কনসেপ্টের প্রিন্টিং দেখালাম, বর্ডার দেখালাম, ভ্যারাইটি অফ ব্লক প্রিন্টিং, চান্দেরির ওপরই দেখালাম, কিছু বোনা বর্ডার, কিছু প্লেন বর্ডার, নানা রকমের ভ্যারাইটি, এবং সবকটাই 4000 এর মধ্যে, ইকোনমিক্যাল রেঞ্জের মধ্যে, বাজেট ফ্রেন্ডলি কালেকশন তত্ত্বতে দেওয়ার জন্য। এখন প্রচুর গিফটের ব্যাপার আছে, প্রচুর ওকেশনস আছে। আর এটা হলো, এবং তার সাথে সাথে আমি যেটা দেখাবো, আমাদের ম্যানিকুইন যেটা পরে আছে, ম্যানিকুইনও কিন্তু একটা চান্দেরির ওপর বেনারসি ওভেন বর্ডার পরে আছে, এবং এই বর্ডারটার সাথে যে ব্লকটা ইউজ করা হয়েছে, অ্যাবস্ট্রাক্ট মাল্টি কালার অ্যাজটেক ব্লক ইউজ করা হয়েছে। খুব আনকমন কিন্তু এই ব্লক প্রিন্টটা। এটার সাথে কিন্তু এরকম একটা জারি উইভ পাল্লু পাচ্ছেন। ইটস আ woven জারি woven pallu and a very unique rich border, very unique border. The price of this is 3500 only, 3500. See the print, it's a Mughal, it's a, you know, very Mughal kind print, very quirky digital print with kalamkari Mughal print. It has ajrak, mixture of variety of block printing, very uncommon. It will have a blouse piece also. Price is 3500, 3500 for the sari. And these kind of ready-made blouses are also available in our store, so you can watch out our album and Facebook page, the ready-made designer blouses. You can check out the page, Sanskriti Kolkata. So that's it today, folks. Hope you had you hope you have a good day.